उड़ीसा के रजनीश अग्रवाल जो ठीक से चल नहीं सकते, अब तक 25 कंट्रीज घूम चुके हैं और वो भी एक व्हील चेयर पर। इसलिए कहते हैं जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह। तो चलिए उन्हीं से जानते हैं उनकी कहानी।
I'm here to tell you that I am suffering from something called syringomyelia, which is a neuro issue. For the last 12 to 13 years, I am on wheelchair.
सिंड्रोमेलिया एक सिस्टिक डिसऑर्डर है जो स्पाइन को अटैक करता है, रिजल्टिंग इन लॉस ऑफ फीलिंग, पैरालिसिस या तो फिर लाइफ लॉन्ग बीइंग बाउंड टू व्हीलचेयर। लेकिन ऐसी हेल्थ कंडीशन से ऊपर आकर कुछ कर पाने के लिए अपनों के साथ की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है और रजनीश के केस में he had nothing to really worry about.
Obviously, when you hear such a bad news about yourself, you become gloomy, you think your life is over. But as time goes on, you come to terms with it and you move on and live your life. Well, even my family was quite shocked when they came to know about my disease. But as time went on, even they encouraged me a lot to live my life fully as I can.
Some of the 25 countries that Rajneesh has so far visited are Thailand, Nepal, Mauritius, Hong Kong, Macau, Malaysia, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Greece, Italy, Austria, Germany, and well, many more.
When you're traveling on wheelchair, you're bound to face some hardships, staircase somewhere, and other issues. But these are greatly reduced if you have done a bit of research on the place that you're going to. But these hardships doesn't hamper my love for travel. In fact, it challenges me to visit that destination even much more.
और इन मुश्किलों के बावजूद रजनीश अपनी मोटिवेटिंग फैमिली के साथ ट्रिप्स करते रहे और सिर्फ घूमे ही नहीं बल्कि कई मेमोरेबल यादें भी बनाते गए, कुछ मुश्किलों से भरी तो कुछ हंसी से भरी।
My favorite travel partners are my immediate family, that is my wife and kid, as they understand me very well, so it's quite comfortable traveling with them. When you travel a lot, there are bound to be some, and one such incident that I can recall right now is that while boarding a taxi in Paris, one of my sneaker was missing, and we went all the way back to the train and found out that missing sneaker. Else we had to buy one.
तो आखिर ऐसा क्या है ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में जो रजनीश को कंट्री से कंट्री हर साल लेकर जाता है?
As soon as you travel to a place, you start comparing it to what you have seen and read, television, or maybe you have googled. You also like meeting the local people over there and also trying out their foodstuffs.
रजनीश ने काफी सारी कंट्रीज तो देखी है, लेकिन इनमें से कुछ ऐसी है जहां उनकी कंडीशन के वजह से घूमना आमतौर पर डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है, लेकिन रजनीश ने हार नहीं मानी। ऐसी ही एक कंट्री उनकी लिस्ट में है जो उनकी फेवरेट भी है।
Most favorite country out of all has been Switzerland, because as growing up we have seen the country quite a lot in the movies. When I actually happened to visit the country, I found it almost similar to that or even better. So it was really nice to see the place, since it's a very cold country and with a lot of snow-peaked mountains. Going to the mountain was a challenge for me because as I have neuro issues, but the facilities were quite good. I could go to the mountain peaks and enjoy myself at even -2 degree temperature.
इन 25 कंट्रीज के अलावा रजनीश ने इंडिया में भी काफी ट्रैवल किया है और इंडिया में भी उन्हें कुछ चंद फेवरेट्स है।
In India too, I have traveled almost the whole country except the northeastern states. I loved Kerala the most. The coconut trees, the backwaters, the Vembanad Lake, and overall the Periyar Lake, where stems arise out of water and there are wildlife.
खैर, रजनीश जैसे मोटिवेटिंग इंसान की स्टोरी हमारे दिल को छू गई। हमने उनसे ही पूछा कि वो फेलो ट्रैवल लवर्स को क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे।
I want to encourage people in similar conditions to travel if they wish to, if they love traveling. It will help you grow as a person. It will help you grow your confidence. And above all, we should be as normal as possible to live a better and fulfilling life. I would like to add a few points. Plan in advance, book in advance, so that the hurdles are minimized. And finally, I would like to end by saying, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
अगर आपको भी रजनीश की स्टोरी मोटिवेटिंग लगी तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर सच इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज एंड राइट टू अस इफ यू हैव एन इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी टू टेल। Until then, take care and stay safe.